Let's move towards the experience of yoga by taking a journey through the elements of yoga. Asana. Yoga poses are called asanas. Asana means a firm seat. The goal of yoga is to learn to take a firm seat in self. Self with a small s is our ego. Self with a capital S is synonymous with God. When we train ourselves to be centered in self, happiness happens, and our crutches and compensations fall away. Please sit cross-legged or in a chair, spine straight, back of neck long. Let your body settle into stillness, as if it's remembering something ancient and familiar. This simple seat is more than a pose, it's a container, a quiet construct that allows our energy and attention to gather instead of scatter. Lift your sternum, shoulder blades down your back. Your crown is magnetized to the center of the universe, your sit bones to the center of the earth. Feel balanced, stable, and content in this pose. We take on the qualities of whatever pose we assume in our yoga practice and life. Mudra. The term mudra means seal. Mudras are hand positions used in yoga to direct energy and sign the universe. Have your hands in Gyan Mudra, index fingers and thumb tips meeting. The other fingers are extended. This mudra supports clarity, receptivity, and the subtle transition from outer doing to inner knowing. The index fingers also relate to the frontal lobe of the brain and Jupiter energy, expansive, positive, and celebratory. Dṛṣṭi means focus of the eyes. Our eyes are a portal from the seen to the unseen. When our eyes are fixed, our mind is fixed. When we focus our focus, the universe focuses on us. As your eyes are closed, or almost closed, direct your gaze towards a point on a line between the eyebrows, an inch above the bridge of the nose. This is the Ajna chakra, aka third eye, the command center of our awareness. They say that our destiny is written on our forehead. More accurately, when we activate this center, we can see where our destiny lies and how to move towards it with the decisions we make. The word mantra means mind wave. A mantra is a sound or phrase that vibrates our being to uplift and heal us. Many mantras represent the names and qualities of the infinite. Breathe long and light through your nose. Allow a simple syllable to guide your mind into rhythm and flow. As you inhale, mentally hear the sound Sat. As you exhale, mentally hear the sound Nam. Sat Nam means the truth within, or truth is my identity. Let the mantra ride the breath effortlessly and steady. Continue to inhale Sat with reverence and devotion. Exhale Nam with reverence and devotion. Sat Nam is a seed mantra. From the very first time you hear or say a sound such as this, a seed is planted deep in essence, and the soul quickens, and a fate becomes a destiny in the field of time. In this one pose, the entire path of yoga is present. Your body vehicle is an asana, steady and easeful. The blend of the breath and mantra create Prāṇāyam, the regulation of life force, the optimization of energy. Breath plus name engenders the substance of spirit and experience of same. Focus at the third eye is dharana, concentration. The quieting of the senses is pratyahara, not this, that, moving our mind to the greater thing. Redirecting our sensory capacity away from the pull of the external world. As the mind settles into a single stream of awareness, enter dhyana, pure meditation. Within that, even if just for a moment, experience samadhi, divine union. This simple exercise contains the whole map. With your gaze still at the brow, imagine a luminous blue pearl floating against the velvet dark of that inner space. Traditionally, sing the blue pearl, represents the highest attainment in meditation. Let the shape hover slightly at the third eye, neither forced nor fading. Continue inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. Let this blue pearl remain steady, a quiet anchor for the mind. Let the mantra, the mudra, gaze, and the visualization weave together into a tapestry of timelessness. Meditate for 3 little minutes more. When you're ready, re-enter your life in the world. Release the mudra, let your eyes soften and slowly open. Carry the quiet coherence of this meditation into your life, and may your life be a sacred story. Sat Nam.
Hope you're feeling stress-free and very zen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And also, please visit us at ravianna.com, where you can sign up for our free monthly newsletter and also take advantage of our 7-day free trial. You can try all our streams if you're ready and you are to go deeper into your practice. See you soon.